Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.5 trillion. Once again, we're up 4.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, wow, we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board as we are coming out of the weekend. And you guys know what happened over the weekend. We did see more manipulation occur within the space. And if you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I do mention that on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation occur within the space because the CME futures are closed. But what a very wonderful day to start off this week in a nice green day, and hopefully this does continue, which we will get into later on in this video. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is, any guesses, guys? Any guesses? I'll let you guys. All right, it's none other than Bittorrent. All right, my Bittorrent family, before I begin, I just want to say thank you for your continuous support. I know I have not uploaded for Bittorrent for quite a while, but you guys have always been asking me where I have and how I have been doing, so I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I love you all. Just always remember that. But Bittorrent holders, guys, you want to watch this video, guys. You guys want to watch this video till the absolute end because it is jam-packed with information and you do not want to miss this out. Looking at the Bittorrent price right now, guys, you guys can see Bittorrent is currently trading at 0.00328 cents, and it's up 32.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, guys, and it's also up 27.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. BTT's rank right now on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 60th spot. Market cap right now is $3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume, guys, look at that buying pressure coming in, and currently sitting at $2.57 billion, and that's something very nice to see, and that should not be ignored at all. And zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Bittorrent is up 846.9%, so let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But now, let's get into the exciting stuff. What's going on? And where are we going in the immediate short term? So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see Bittorrent has seen some crazy price movements happen within its price. But like I said, if you are a Bittorrent holder, you do not want to miss this video out. So let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, let's bring this up first. You guys can see we saw Bittorrent break out of break below this level of support at the 0.0027 cents mark when we did see initial price correction occur within the overall markets when Bitcoin had a drop. We saw Bitcoin go all the way down to 0.0024 cents, guys. But since then, guys, let's say you were able to pick up some Bitcoin around there, you're already up as of recording this video in just a matter of 2 days, 58.37%, guys, 58.37%. And a lot of people are saying, what's going on with Bittorrent price? We thought Bittorrent is boring. It's not popping up. What's going on with Bittorrent? But something to really point out for you guys is that, Bittorrent has really found a floor, if you know what I mean. We have built up a strong, even though we have not seen continuous spikes towards the upside, we have seen Bittorrent build a very nice level of support around this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we have not really seen a spike up back into 61.8 since this initial drop when the Elon FUD came out along with the China FUD. We have really not seen price action get absolutely crazy, but it has been stabilizing for quite a while. But now when we do see more upwards movement occur for the price of Bittorrent, we will see these levels play out as a level of support for us. So that's definitely something that shall not be ignored when we are looking at these charts, guys. But now, if we are looking at the Bittorrent price, you guys can see we're back. We're literally sitting right at that 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level zone, at that support level, at that 0.0032 cents mark. And you may be asking, what is going on right now? We thought BitTorrent is dead. And it's crazy to me. It's literally crazy to me as to what kind of comments I have been receiving over the past couple of days. People saying we're losing hope in BitTorrent, this and that. I hope I can sell my BitTorrent at a loss. I hate to see that happen, guys. I hate to see that. This is why patience is your number one key to follow. You never know, especially in a bull cycle, guys. You never know when the reversal can happen. But now everyone wants to know, is this the reversal? What's going on? So let's get right into it. What is causing this price action to occur, and what are the targets that are going to happen most likely? So let's get right into the news first. So this is what happened, guys. Justin Sun posted this. BTTTC mainnet is coming. Let's look forward to the world's first ever heterogeneous cross-chain interoperability protocol. The market cap of BTT will remain unchanged, and the old BTT tokens migration and 1 to 1000 redenomination plan will launch soon. Stay tuned, guys. So this is what BitTorrent's initial announcement. BTTC mainnet and BTT redenomination plan will be launched on December 12th, guys. 6 days away right now. While maintaining current market cap, old BTT tokens will be redenominated and swapped with the new at a ratio at 1 to 1000. So the total supply is being increased to crazy numbers, guys. So the total overall supply for BitTorrent has increased quite a bit. So that's something that should be noted as we speak. So we're looking at that, guys. Something very nice we're seeing happen. Who knew BitTorrent mainnet was coming out of nowhere? Boom, BitTorrent mainnet is on its way, and this is really creating the buzz across the board right now. So now really comes the question, after the mainnet is launched, can this really be a catalyst to get BitTorrent to really start skyrocketing towards the upside and possibly see prices that is not seen for a few months? So we'll get into that right now. One factor that we need to be looking at right now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin did see this crazy price drop that occurred over the past couple of days. If you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys already know what I have been talking about. Since we broke below this level of support, guys, at the $60,245 level, you guys knew what I had been saying. I said, guys, we need to be above this level of support at all costs. I cannot see Bitcoin below that, because if we are below that, we're definitely not out of the woods just yet. And we saw Bitcoin getting weaker and weaker to try to break out of this level of support. This level of resistance. So we did see the bears win and really push the price of Bitcoin towards the downside. But we have seen a nice move happening towards the upside. But I am not getting very excited and having a confirmation until we reach the price of Bitcoin at $59,000, and most importantly at the $60,245 mark. But looking at BitTorrent, guys, BitTorrent has made a nice impact on its price. But right now, my target is for it to break above this level of resistance at the 0.0042 cents mark, guys. I need BitTorrent to be above this level as soon as possible and possibly get back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is about 68.37% away from its current price levels. Is that possible? Definitely could be as we go into that December 12th mark, and if Bitcoin continues to hold where it is holding and gradually moves towards the upside, we could definitely see BitTorrent really start spiking up towards the upside. And one thing that's very interesting right now that's happening is bringing back a lot of memories of the past bull cycles that I have seen, especially the past one specifically related to BitTorrent, which was back in 2017, where I saw Tron go absolutely insane in Q4 of December of 2017. If you remember, if you have been in the market since then, guys, drop a comment down below. You guys know the good old days I'm talking about. But now a lot of people might be saying, hey, is that going to happen with BitTorrent? Is BitTorrent can really start moving towards the upside in Q4 and really push to the upside and really close out this year with a bang? Again, very possible, because one factor that you guys cannot forget, and I have been saying this, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I've been talking about this man for the longest time, and that is Justin Sun. Because guys, Justin Sun knows what he's doing. He knows how to create hype, and he has done it in the past, and he can do it anytime. Because like I said, He has the resources, he has the connections to really bring in hype. And what other way to pump Bittorrent and Tron in Q4, and also like anything that is related to Justin Sun in December to end the year off with a bang than any other time. And you guys can see, like, look at this as an example. Justin Sun posted this to match the CEO of El Salvador offer. I just bought the dip, 100 coins at an average USD price of $47,627. So basically, you guys can see, if you guys don't know, CEO, I'm sorry, not CEO, the president of El Salvador bought the dip when the Bitcoin's price dropped, and Justin Sun did the same. And you can see the president of El Salvador tweeted this out to Justin Sun: "You must buy 50 more coins to match. It's just a couple $1 million more. Come on." And look what Justin Sun replied: "Done. Just bought 50 Bitcoin more at $47,250. And you guys can really see this guy knows how to bring in hype, how to bring in attention to himself, and he has the resources. And this is literally a perfect example. And kudos to the guy, a lot of people are not big fans of him. A lot of people do have their own opinions, but I believe he's an absolute genius of a man. And he knows what he is definitely doing. And you guys can see what's happening with Bittorrent. Q4, what you never know, we might pop off this time around and really see some prices that we have not seen for the last couple of months. And this is the beauty of crypto, guys, and this is where you do not want to be losing hope. This is exactly where you do not want to be losing hope. I hate to say it again, I do not control your guys' decisions or opinions. I'm just making educational videos just for fun, and it's my own personal opinion. But I was reading some comments over the past couple of days. Some people were saying, there were a few people, it's surprising to me, and I was just thinking about these same people. I was like, oh man, I wish these people did not do that. But there were some people in my comment section saying, I wish I sell my BTT right now and swap it for another coin, because Bittorrent is boring, this and that. But guys, this is where patience, what I always say on a daily basis to you guys, patience is your number one key to follow. If you have done your due diligence and research, and you really believe in a project, and you had invested what you can afford to lose, guys, then patience is your number one key to follow. You never want to lose hope, especially if you have held for the past couple months and you've seen the price of Bitcoin or any other altcoin consolidate for a couple months. You do not want to sell at that time. If you waited that long, why not wait longer? Because again, not all the coins are gonna moon in next day around or a couple months down. Every coin has its time, especially the ones with working products that are legitimate, big community, strong fundamentals. Those are the projects that are here to stay. So you do not want to be losing hope and selling before, because especially in a bull cycle, guys, you never know when the coin can pop off. You never know. And we are seeing a perfect example right now in front of us. But right now, I am not having 0% confirmation until we see Bittorrent break out of this range at the 0.00457 cents mark. And the big confirmation where I would literally be able to be very confident to say, we are really about to see some crazy price action occur for Bittorrent is around this zone, guys. And that price is around 0.00546 cents mark, guys. And this would basically mark the first time ever we have seen Bittorrent touch this price since May 17th, guys. Since May 17th. So this really goes to show how important this level really will be. And then once we cross out of here, guys, then it's a matter of time before we shoot up very, very fast. This is cryptocurrency, guys. When momentum is on the coin side, things can get crazy really, really fast. But this time around, guys, if we do see that happen, you guys do not want to be getting greedy. If you guys are sitting at a lot of profits and you want to cash out some profits this time around, like if you're in it for the long haul, then that's totally different. If you have invested what you can afford to lose and you have done your due diligence and research, then holding is your number one strategy to follow. You can stake your BTT. But if you're here to make some short-term gains, then you definitely do not want to get greedy and lock in profits. It doesn't matter where the price is at. You never want to keep thinking the price is just going to keep going up forever, because there were a lot of people that thought that here, guys. You guys can see I care about each and every one of you guys. We look at the most realistic outcomes, and you guys do not want to be thinking the price can always go up forever. No, guys, this is cryptocurrencies. Markets are unregulated. the whales control the markets, and we never know when Bitcoin can say, you know what, goodbye, and everything gets invalidated then. But right now, all eyes are on this price level at 0.0042 cents mark, guys. That's the next level of resistance, and then you guys know the big point, 0.00546 cents mark. And once we break out of here, I really do think we're about to see some crazy price actions occur for the price of Bittorrent. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and what are your thoughts for Bittorrent? Do you agree with me? Do you really think that Bittorrent could be on the start to its next rally up towards the upside? What are your thoughts, and where could you see Bittorrent go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. If I can ask you guys for one favor, that is if you can like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the absolute world for me. I love each and every one of you guys. You guys have been absolutely killing it with the support. I love you all, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed, guys. Crypto ZX channel is literally going to take over. Remember my word, we are going to 100,000 subscribers, and I know we will get there. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.